Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Mod Watches channel. Today, guys, I am going to be doing a review on our Seiko Nautilus mod. This is a beautiful piece. As you can see, looks really nice. And yeah, just want to do a dedicated video on this, talk you through some of the specs, show you around the watch and what you actually get for your purchase. So, if you would like to purchase this watch, it is available. You can check out the first link in the description below. We'll take you to the listing page. You can have a look. And this is based on the Seiko NH35. So you'll see that it has a date complication here on the 3 o'clock position. And it obviously has the hours and the minutes hand and the seconds hand as well. So obviously this is going for that Nautilus homage look. You can see here with that sort of pattern on the dial. You can see the lines on the pattern on the dial, and we've gone for a very nice blue color on this one, which is kind of like the iconic color used on the Nautilus, original Nautilus by Patek Philippe. And you can see it's got very nice sort of detailing on the face as well. So very nice sort of bezel here with that proprietary design, which is very iconic to the Nautilus. You can also see that it has an integrated bracelet here, which we've used, which is again paying homage to the original Nautilus. So with this, you're getting the usual specs that you get on all our mod watches. So 30 meters of water resistance. You're going to get an automatic Seiko NH35 movement inside the hood. You're also going to get an exhibition back on the rear. So you can see there. You can see the NH35 working very nicely to keep that time ticking. And of course, you're going to get the usual adjustment with the bracelet as well. So you can see here, this is all actually push pin. This is not screw pin, so push pin. So what you'll need to do is actually push the pins out and resize this bracelet to your size. We've got a very nice milled clasp on the back with a very nice satisfactory click. You can hear that there. It's got like a case on top, a protective sort of double layer casing that kind of clips back onto itself. Here you can see there. And then, yeah, so this is an integrated bracelet. Obviously, you're not going to be able to put on a lot of the generic bracelets that you find off the shelf. Sort of aftermarket bracelets won't fit on this one. If you do want to purchase some different style bracelets with this, maybe you want to go for like a leather one, or you want to go for a rubber strap, do please get in touch with us, let us know, and we'll be more than happy to sort of walk you through some of the options that you have with this watch. So other than that, guys, yeah, it's just a very nice design. Obviously, it's a very sought after design, and it's a very popular design and something which is very iconic. So if you are wearing this on your wrist, I think more than the Rolexes, this will really stand out. I mean, a lot of people find this a very aesthetically pleasing design. Even the sort of normal people that are not, into watches and stuff, you will pique their curiosity for sure if you are wearing this watch. So yeah, definitely a great purchase if you want to grab one of these. You'll get it in a nice box here. As you can see, we do international shipping as well. And yeah, just let me talk you through quickly how to set the time on this. So as with all automatic watches with the NH35, it's very similar. The screw is basically screwed down, so you've got to unscrew it. So we'll do that now, as you can see. And once you start unscrewing it, you will feel that it pops out. Once it's popped out, this is the winding mode, so you can wind the watch to give it some energy. If it's been sat for a while, this is what you want to do. You want to give it a few winds or some rounds to get the movement going, get it some energy. Then you can pop it out for the first position, or we just go to the second position. So you'll come out 1, 2, and you can set the time. You can see, set it to wherever you like, backwards, forwards, and you can see once it goes past 12 o'clock, it will change the date window as well. So if you push it in once, you will go to, once again, you'll go to the date change position, so you can change the date from here. As you can see, we're cycling through the dates now. This is on the first position, and then you can push it in, and that is back now to position 0, or what you can call the winding position. So you're back to winding and adding some energy to the movement. So from here, you're going to push and twist. So you're going to push and twist like you're screwing something into a wall, and you're going to find that it's, at a certain point, you're not going to be able to screw it anymore. That's because it's now water sealed, watertight. It's got a gasket in there, so you're preserving the waterproof rating now because it is screwed in and you're ready to go. Okay, and I've got a lot of comments on my videos saying you never do a wrist shot, and one of the reasons for that is because these pieces usually end up going out to the customers, so they're usually heavily stickered up. Doesn't really make sense for me to open them up, but these ones are staying with me, so let's go ahead and show you a bit of a wrist shot. Of course, I have not sized this to my wrist as of yet, so I will go ahead and give it my best go and show you what it looks like on the wrist. And there we are, guys. So of course, once you size it to your wrist, it won't be jangling about past the edges there. Obviously, I haven't sized it to my wrist. That's why it is doing that. But yeah, not going to lie, guys, this does look very, very nice on the wrist. If I just take it back a little bit and give you a nice shot there. Take a look at that, guys. Very, very nice. So the diameter of this face is it's like 39 millimeters, so it sits very, very nicely on a wide variety of wrist sizes. I mean, it's not going to be too big on your wrist. In fact, for some people that have bigger wrists, it actually might be a little bit more on the smaller side. But for me, I mean, with an average size wrist, it is going to look very, very nice. So yeah. Okay, so all the details are going to be on the link in the description below. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments section below, or you can actually reach us on a WhatsApp line, which is also linked below as well, if you want to have a chat about this watch or any of our watches on our channel. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Like I said, this is a truly, truly stunning piece. It's quite different to what we do with the Rolex mods. So yeah, go grab yours and enjoy the watch. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time.